Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to fix your charging problem. If your device is having problem in charging, how you can fix it in Infinix smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. Some of the points you have to make sure that if your type C port that you are charging is damaged or something, you can check it from here also. Then you can check your cable also. If it is broken or your adapter is not working, you can check it by charging another phone also. And you can just restart your phone also and do some settings. If there is a bug in charging or something, just go to the app section. Here it is app management, then click on app list. Here are all the apps, system apps and downloaded apps shown on here. You have to just write here settings. If there is a bug, it will be fixed very easily. You can just write here settings and you will see settings. Just clear cache, this clear data, then press back, click on the search. Here you have to write Google and then you have to scroll down and you will see here it is Google Play services. Then you have to clear cache this also. And if it is not working, you can just go to your nearby service center. They will fix it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.